Hi there, data enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. If you are ready to unlock the full potential of your data and amaze your audience with a stunning visualization, you have clicked on the right video. Today we are going to discuss about the aggregation in Tableau. First off, let's clarify what the aggregation is. In simple terms, aggregation is the process of combining multiple data points into a summary value, like turning the sales value into a easy digestible totals or averages. Now let's get hands-on. I'm going to walk you through how to aggregate the data in Tableau step by step. I will be working with the simple sales dataset. You can follow along with any of your own data. Here, I have already imported the Excel sheet with the orders data. The aggregation is maximally done on the major fields. So, from the major section, drag and drop the cells in the rows. You can see the aggregation is sum here. Put the cells back to the major, and if you drag and drop again in the text, you can see the aggregation is done with the sum. To change the aggregation, click on this drop down, go to measure and select count. Now aggregation is done with the count. If you want to done the aggregation with the, click on this drop down, go to measure and select average. You can see the average. Now drag it back to the measure section. And if you drag again the cells in the text, you can see the default aggregation again happen with the sum. If you want to change the default behavior of the aggregation for that field, drag back to the major section, go to cells, in drop down menu, go to default properties. In aggregation, you can select any behavior as you want. Here I am going to select the count. If you drag the cells again to the text, you can see the aggregation done with the count. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give the thumbs up, subscribe for more data tips, and hit for the notification bell. Got questions or want to share your experience with the data aggregation? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, happy analyzing.